As a Tomplay teacher, you can invite your students to join you on the app. This allows teachers to share folders with their students for home practice, collaborate by sharing annotation layers, and exchange recordings, sending their own performances or receiving recordings from students, all within the Tomplay app. If your school or institution is a Tomplay partner school, your students may already appear automatically in your student list. In that case, you don't need to invite them individually. We'll take care of it for you. If you'd like to learn more about becoming a partner school, feel free to contact us. To invite your students, open the app and go to Profile in the main menu. In the section My Students, Colleagues, select Manage next to Students. Enter your student's name and email. Then send the invitation. Your student will receive an email with your invite. If they don't have a Tomplay account yet, they'll be guided to download the app and create one. Make sure your students register with the same email address that received your invite. Otherwise, their account won't link to yours. After sending the invitation, you'll see your student listed in your profile. Students marked as pending haven't opened the app or created their account yet. As soon as they sign up, open the app and log in, their status will change to active. Once active, you can share folders, annotations, and recordings with them. On their side, your profile will appear in their account, confirming the connection. When your student subscribes, they'll receive the same 20% discount as you, whether they choose a monthly or yearly plan. Now both you and your students benefit while playing and learning music together with Tomplay.